In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download undownloadable PDF files from Google Drive. Before we start, a quick reminder. Only use this method for files you're allowed to access and save. This is meant for situations like your own documents, study materials shared by a teacher, or files where downloading is blocked by mistake. Always respect copyright and the file owner's permissions. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type "How to download undownloadable PDF files from Google Drive" and press enter. This search will pull up guides and tools related to the process we're going to follow. On the results page, look for a guide or website that clearly explains how to handle view-only PDFs from Google Drive in a legitimate way. You'll often see links to detailed tutorials, sometimes with screenshots or short videos. Click on a result that looks trustworthy, ideally from a well-known tech site or a guide platform you recognize. Once you open the guide, take a moment to skim through it from top to bottom. You want to understand the general idea before you start clicking anything. Many of these guides will walk you through using your browser's print or developer tools to capture the PDF pages you can already view on your screen. Others might suggest browser extensions or scripts if a page asks for your Google password, personal data, or to install suspicious software. Close it immediately and try another result. With a good guide open, switch over to your Google Drive in another tab. Open the PDF that you can view but not download. Make sure it fully loads, and scroll through a few pages to confirm everything displays correctly. Now go back to the instructions in the guide and follow them step by step. Move slowly and double-check each action, especially if it involves copying small pieces of code or changing browser settings. If the method uses the browser's print function, you'll usually select the option to save as PDF instead of sending it to a printer, which lets you save what you can already see. If it uses screenshots or page captures, keep an eye on the final file size and quality. When you're done, open the resulting PDF on your computer to verify that all the pages you needed are there and that the text is readable. If something looks off, go back to the tutorial and see if you missed a step. That's the overall process for downloading undownloadable PDF files from Google Drive in a careful and responsible way.